Good morning, everyone. I am V. Shrinivasan of grade 10C. I have been studying in Astic School of Robotics, Ambattur Academy for about 1 year. I have made a project of autonomous road cleaning robot with smart dustbin system. This is a robot which cleans the road, and it is also having a waste segregation method. It segregates the waste into organic and inorganic and puts them into the right thing. It also collects the waste from the road and it cleans the road again, and it has a pick and place object which can take the dust and put it in the dustbin itself. I used two Arduino boards, one for the smart segregation dustbin and other for the road cleaning process. I have used 4 BO motors for the wheels. I have used a Bluetooth module. This robot can run in automatic as well as Bluetooth control. Thank you.